Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 doesn't last long, you may have noticed that it struggles to hold a charge, often cutting out during use. This can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for cleaning. If left unaddressed, the issue could worsen, leading to diminished performance and the need for a more extensive repair. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a new battery compatible with the Dyson SV10, and a soft cloth to protect your device's surface. Start by ensuring the vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Carefully locate the battery compartment, usually situated at the back of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently lift the cover away, exposing the battery. You will see a connector attached to the battery. Carefully disconnect this by gently pulling it away from the battery. Now, you can locate the faulty battery. It should be easy to spot as it will be the large rectangular component. Once identified, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out of its compartment, being cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. When removing the battery, apply a steady amount of force, but be careful not to pull too hard as this could damage the connectors. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and line it up with the connector. Push it gently into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it fits snugly. After replacing the battery, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage. Once everything is in place, turn on your Dyson SV10 to check that it's functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly clean the filters and avoid overcharging the battery. Store your vacuum in a cool, dry place to extend the battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.